Get excited for third grade tech fair, friends, because tomorrow we are going to have a day dedicated to learning about a digital learning tool. As we're working with various digital learning tools throughout the school year, there are some computer icons that we will come across frequently. A computer icon is a symbol with a special meaning that helps serve as a roadmap in using different tools on computers, iPads, and other digital devices. The first icon I wanted to talk about with you looks almost like a gear. This gear symbol represents settings. We see that there's a gear symbol at the top right of this very notebook page. Notebook is a program that we use on the smartboard often. You may have used it, and your teacher certainly uses it as well. But it's one that we'll come across with different applications too. For example, this Weebly website at first glance doesn't seem to have a settings icon, but watch what happens when I scroll my cursor over the picture. All of a sudden that settings icon or symbol appears, and when I click on it, a drop-down menu of page layout options appears. Be on the lookout for hidden or visible setting icons that will help you work with the program. The share icon is one with a box and an arrow. Once we have completed a file, maybe it's a video, maybe it's a voice recording, or perhaps a blog, you may want to share it with your teacher, parents, or classmates. Get an adult's help to do this because it often requires email addresses and other information that your teacher or parent has. Next is the record button. This red dot often shows us how to record not only video, but sometimes voice. One tool that we might use in recording our voice is Educreations. Educreations is a tool that helps document things that we write and things that we say. The record button is red, and when we press it, notice that the clock starts running. A running clock often indicates that a recording is in progress. When we're done with our recording, we can then hit the pause button. The red recording symbol is an icon for record. Next, we are going to hear about a few different icons that we might come across in different applications. The first is a series of symbols, the rewind, play, fast forward icon. All are arrows pointing in specific directions. When we have double arrows pointing backward, that indicates rewind. A single arrow facing to the right indicates play. And lastly, double arrows pointing to the right indicate fast forward. You'll also notice a dot next to the play, fast forward, and rewind. This is volume control. A picture of a camera is another icon we might come across. It can sometimes mean video too. Lastly, a plus sign always means create a new file. All three of these symbols, the play, fast forward, volume control, are usually grouped together. The camera and the create new file will be icons that you'll notice separately in most tools. These come together in the iMovie app. You'll notice that we have a plus sign here in our projects area that shows how to create a new project. We also see play buttons that cue us to view a recording.
I'm here with Renee Burr, and we are going.
You'll notice here as well, there is a camera icon, and the camera icon gives us access to iPhoto, any videos that we've recorded, and other tools that we might want to use that capture moving video or still photos. Lastly, this thought bubble with writing in it is a leave a comment icon. It's a symbol that usually shows that the video or blog that you've read has a feature where you can comment back to the creator. You might see this in a tool like KidBlog. KidBlog is a tool for students to use to get a discussion going about things that they've been learning about. And you'll often see a leave a comment option on KidBlog. When you opt to leave a comment, it's very important to remember that we need to be responsible and thinking of cares about the things that we're sharing and commenting about in reflection to our classmates' work. Being thoughtful and kind is the key to writing a good comment. So all of these symbols are ones that you will come across not only at Tech Fair tomorrow, but in the games, apps, and websites that you visit perhaps at home or with your parents. Think about what some of these images mean. Think about how you might use it to show your learning moving forward in the school year. I look forward to a fun day tomorrow. Bring any questions that you have. Bye.